Okay. Recording has- Good evening to all. One greeting once again on behalf of High Tech Learn Institute. I, Sima Bakhtar, extended a very sincere warm welcome to all of you present here on this online course, Complete Python Programming for Beginners. This is the third day of this course, and today we will learn about the extensive feature of Python. So, without wasting your time, I'm going to share my screen. Okay. This is the Jupyter interface. Now we will learn. Today we will learn starting with this one comments. What is the comments in Python? Okay. Have you heard about the comments? Comments in Python are lines of text are ignoring by the Python interpreter. These are used to and explain or notes with the code to make it more understandable for developers. Comments are not executed when the program runs. Instead, they serve as documentation for human beings, the code. There are two types of the comments in Python. The first is a single.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt you. If you are using any external mic source, please keep it close to your mouth. Your voice is audible, but it seems like you are speaking far from the mic.
Now am I audible? My voice is in.
Sir, you are audible. You are quite audible, but it seems that you have the mic source is far from you.
Okay. Now it is okay.
Okay, sir. Better.
Now it is okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. It's some disturbance in my Bluetooth mic. Okay. Now I'm going to today we will learn lots of things. We will learn. We have read about the result keywords one by one. We will see. The first we will see comments. What is the comments in Python? Comments in Python are lines of text that are ignored by the Python interpreter. They are used to an explanation or notes within the code to make it more understandable for developers. Comments are not executed when the program runs. Instead, they serve as documentation for human beings, reading the code. These are the single line comments and double line comments. This will more clear when we will write some in a script way. First write the print, okay, and I'm writing something a single line comments in indentation. Hello, this class. Okay, now control enter run. Hello class. This is a single line comment. Now come to the double line comments. Not a double line comments. It's better to say it is a multi-line comments. And what is the multi-line comments? We will see. Yes. Multi-line comments are enclosed with triple quotes and can please mute your mic. If you have, if you want to any question, then you will unmute yourself. Otherwise, please mute your mic. Okay. Multi-line comments. This is a single inverted comma. In a single line comments written in a single inverted comma, but double when you are using multi-line comments, then
Simar sir,
yes.
sir, you can mute the unmuted mics.
My mic is unmuted, sir.
No. You can mute.
Oh, the persons
The
of
one
who
who is
is
listening,
making
yeah.
noise. Okay.
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 Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And at the same time, it's my humble request to say a few lines about your last weekend sessions.
Yes,
So that,
I will recap all things. First, I want to deliver a very small things comments. Then I will recap
okay.
all things.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now you have read this is a single. The way to recognize a single line comments is the single inverted comma. Now multi-line comments. how can you recognize that this script is a multi-line comments? Multi-line comments are enclosed within triple quotes, okay, and can span multiple lines. They are often used to longer explanation or comment that span multiple lines. And this can be written as this 1, 2, 3. Okay, write something. Today is third class. Okay, enter and close this with 3 inverted comma. Okay, this is the way for writing control enter. Thus, and it of course the code has been run. Okay, and whenever this come in a 3 inverted comma, then you can say that this is a multi-line comments. Okay, and when come into with single inverted comma, then this is a your single comments command. Okay, now come to the next, and it is a updated version of Jupyter Notebook. Whenever you will see here plus above and plus below, whenever click on the plus below, then a new script cell has been generated. Okay, in old you have to insert, go to the insert, and then cell is inserted, and these things you can do. Okay, now come to the next things. We will see what is the reserve keywords. Okay, as we have I have told you, there are some keywords in Python, which that keywords you cannot use as a variable, list, or dictionary tuples. You cannot use. This is a fixed reserve keyword, and every and each reserve keyword have a specific work. Then we will see what is the how many types of the reserved keyword in the Python, and we will see one by one its work. Okay, for first things, uh, you know how to check the path. One way to go to the terminal, and you can check your by default path, and the second way you can here check import OS operating system and print in indentation parenthesis os dot get cwd. It means current working directory. Okay, and close your parenthesis and control enter is for run. As C user schema is a by default path of my Jupyter notebook. Okay, and how to connect your specific folder to working folder to this Jupyter interface. I have already told you in previous 2 class, but I will explain this in a last. Okay, now generate again a cell below. Now come to the result keywords. For this, import this imports sys, the system information, import keyword, import keyword, import operator, 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 and import of operator. Then from data mine, import data mine, and lastly import operating system. Okay, now control enter run. Syntax line number 4, just go to the view and click on your show line number. Okay, 4, there is a mistake in a invalid syntax. From data mine, import data mine, there's something wrong. I have to check this one. Okay, oh, import not data mine, it should, oh sorry, date and time, date and time, import date and time. Okay. Now run. Okay. Successfully has been executed. Now next to reveal the list of the reserved keyword. For this, use the print command, use parenthesis is a small bracket, okay, and write keyword, okay, keyword dot twlist, keyword dot list, and run. Control enter. See, these are the list of the reserved keyword. Okay, false, none, true, and, as, asset, asynthetic, weight, etc., etc. Now next generate the generate a cell, coding cell. Okay. Now next we want to know the length of the reserve queue. How many types of reserve queues? Okay. First, this use len command and use the reserve keyword list. Just copy and paste here in indentation. Parenthesis, not indentation, and control enter. There are 35 reserved keywords are present in the Python programming language. Okay. Now next work is to okay. Why reserved keywords are importance of the reserved keyword we will see one by one. But in we have read about the variable, we have read about the list, we have read about the tuple, we have read about the dictionaries, and what these are the basically these are for to contain any type of the data, and each and every these variable, list, tuples have different work. Okay, why we are using the tuples? Because tuples are anonymous function, and we can use instead of the list and dictionaries and variables, because it's work very faster than other these three. Okay, variable only containing homogeneous types of the, but list and and dictionaries contain heterogeneous type of the data. Okay, but one important thing of the your this dictionaries is that it is in a pairing data in arranged in a pair type, and we will see some others with the help of the other example. Okay, now first we will see why we are not using. Suppose that I'm giving a variable name is the false. Okay, false is equal to 5, then this should be run or not. Control enter. Error, because this false is a reserved keyword and you cannot use as a variable for this. But whenever you make it only f, then this will work as a variable, and f enter 5. Okay, now we will see the example for this. uh, okay, we will see the an example. Suppose that we are choosing only two reserve keys. First is elif and else. What is the work of this? We will see. Now we will suppose that there are 70. You are a student.
தலைக்கு ஒரு 1000 போடுங்க ஒரு 3000 வாங்க ப்ரொஃபசர் தான் போடுங்க நிறைய பணம் போடுங்க
Yeah, Simon sir.
Yes, sir. I'm checking the who's in the mic is.
Yeah, one iPhone name mic is on.
iPhone. I am checking.
There is one iPhone which is on. Here, participants, kindly mute your mics. iPhone.
Yes, sir. I'm checking that's person. iPhone.
Yeah,
Sir.
yeah, iPhone is there.
Okay. Yes.
Just mute that. Yeah. Now it's okay, sir.
Okay. Now we will choose two reserved keywords ALIF and ALSE, elif and else. Okay. Now suppose that you are a student and you got 75 marks out of 100. Okay. Then student score. Suppose that you are a student and your name is Alice. Okay. Oh, ALISE, Alice, and your score is 75 marks. Okay. Now let us use if, elif and else statement. Okay. And to categorize the student's performance using if, else, uh, and else statement to categorize students' performance. If student score is, suppose that if else score, I cannot write many times else score. I have to copy and paste it. Okay, if okay, greater than or equal to 90 with double column, then what will happen? Print this one. Excellent, you got an A in indentation or double inverted comma. Excellent job, and you got A grade. Okay, and close this and parenthesis close. Now second condition I want to apply. Second condition is elif. Okay, elif student, not student, right? Alice score a greater than or equal to 80, close with double column, then print. Okay, good job. And of course, when she will get near about more 80, then what will happen, of course it is less than grade A. Good job. And you got B plus. Okay, you got B plus. B plus grade. Close with parenthesis and close with your indentation. Okay, now you have written two result code if, elif, and now again use the elif reserve keyword. I'm taking this copy for entire thing because I want to categorize a more score. Because your score is 75, I have to show uh, less than 75 what will happen and what is your score. Okay, elif. Now 80, and now your, suppose that you got 70, then what will happen? Just copy and I will edit it. Okay, of course you it is not a good job. Well done. You can say well done because you nearly got 70 or more than 70 and less than 80. Well done. And you got I think you can say B grade. Okay. Now again, in this, and the next what will happen? I'm making a loop with the help of the if, elif, and else. What will happen? You will see. Okay. Until unless when you will fail, then I will stop this loop. Okay. Now it's not 70, and this will suppose that 60. Okay, and now print. Then what will happen? Give the some condition about when you will got the 60 marks. It is not, of course, it is not well done. This you can say you need a you only pass. Okay, and you got C grade. Okay, next, now come to the stop here, and of course I would don't know, I don't want to give anyone D grade, and use else result keyword and close with your double comma and print. Okay, when you got C grade, then what means? Then what is the meaning? Sorry, or you can say sorry. Okay, and right here, you failed. You failed because otherwise you, when your marks is less than 60, then it should be you failed and you got D grade. You can say D grade, with D grade, D grade. Okay, now run this. Your score is, Alice score is 75. Okay, then where is your lie? Just see, control enter, line number 11. There is mistake in line number 11. Oh, okay. Just give me 2 to 3 minutes. There is something mistake in this web browsing. Now it is okay. It is working. Now this will working. Uh, Again this will not work because print should be in green color. Undetermined string legal. Oh, this one. I have to close this one. Now it is okay. Then this will work. Line number 2. Okay. Now this can, because this is don't worry about this thing, because this is case sensitive and space sensitive. When I give an extra space, then then this will not work. See, Okay, invalid syntax. Now I have to remove this extra space. Now this one, well done, you got B. Okay, and what is the B grade? When less than 80 and are equal to 80, you got B. Suppose that suppose that you got only 50 marks, then what is your result? See, sorry, sorry, you failed with D grade. Hello. Okay, sorry with you, D grade, fail with D grade. Now check for the 95 marks. Suppose that you will, when you will get the 95 marks, then what will happen? Excellent job, you got A. And this is the way to making a loop with the help of a if, elif, and else key reserve keyword, and you can make a loop and just change the number and you got your result. And this is a very small code for first project code. Okay, now explain these things in more clearly. If is a condition, elif is also used for condition, else is a condition finalize. Suppose that you are going on a crossing and you want to go right way or left way. Suppose that you are going left way, then you will got fruit market, and when you are going right, then you got this fish market, and you are going in a right, then using the else, print fish market is present. Okay, this is the way. Okay, we will see more reserve keyword before seeing this. We will see some list. We will see the list, what difference between list and dictionaries. We will make it more clear. Okay, suppose that I'm going to create a this one create a list. And how to make a list? With the help of, can anyone tell me how to make the list? Anyone tell me? With the help of parentheses, big bracket, curly bracket. Parentheses is nothing but a small bracket. Can anyone tell me? It is creating by a big bracket. Okay, now I'm creating a list for a fruits. Okay, fruits, and these are my favorite fruits. I writing the fav. Okay, is equal to, using the this big bracket and indentation. Of course, fruits are your string, then you have to use this one. Suppose that my favorite fruit is apple. Okay, and banana is also a favorite food for me, and orange is also favorite food for me. Okay, now a list has been created by me. Okay, this is the data of fruit data, and keep in a list. That list name is your favorite fruits, favorite fruits. Now accessing elements in the list. For this, use the print command, and in indentation write in double inverted comma, my favorite fruits are. Okay, inverted comma with semicolon, and close with double inverted comma, and this one. Okay, now because the list, in a list you can add or remove any elements. That's why I'm showing second time this type of this topic. Okay. Now adding a new fruits to the list. Okay, how to add? For this, use the this is my favorite fruits, and use the a function name is append. Okay, append means adding. Dot a double p e n d. Okay, whenever you will use this append with with your favorite fruits, that is a fruits favorite is your list, and with this function, and whatever you want to add in indentation, right? Suppose that you want to add grapes. Grapes means angur. Okay, now again I want to remove a fruit name from my list. Okay, and that name is, suppose that orange. Then for this, use uh, dot function remove. Okay, and gives the name of that fruit is orange, ORANGE. Okay, now this is the way for adding and removing. Now next uh, things is that accessing individual elements in my list. The for this print, uh, write these things, how to accessing individual elements, print, and this way write the first fruit in my list, the first fruit for you, fruit in my list. Just see, whenever you will see the output result, then this will be more clear. But how to write a command and how to write a script in a Python, I want to show you. That's why I'm doing it manually for you without doing a copy and paste job. I'm writing live to all of you, among all of you. List, and don't forget the use that is a double inverted comma, and this was double semicolon, and close this with indentation or double inverted comma, and use the comma, and favorite fruits, that is your function is here, not a function, it is your list. Write the name of the list, and is equal to the first fruit in my list is equal to in double inverted comma 0, because in Python numbering is starting with the 0. Suppose that there are three elements in my list, 1 2 3, not starting with the 1 2 3. Whenever you want to count 0 1 2, 0 means apple, 1 means banana, and 3 means orange, and the first fruit in my list, then I have to write here 0. Okay, first means 0, not 1, and then close again. Just copy this one, because I don't want to write again these things, but I want to change something in this. The last fruit in my list is, okay. Upload this one, and this is -1. Why this is the -1? Whenever you starting from your left hand side, then this is a 0. Whenever you starting with your at the end of this elements, that is indexing, then it is starting with -1. Okay, this is -2, -3. Okay, not starting with the 0. Okay, whenever you pick the last one. Keep in mind. Okay. This will be more clear when I will run the entire code. Don't worry about this. Now accessing individual elements has done. Now I want to introduce some other thing. Finding the length of the list. Okay. Before checking if a fruit is in the list, suppose that in my list I have one fruits I love very much. Okay. For this, how I will introduce this statement in my code. For this, a condition I have applied. Suppose that orange is my favorite fruits. Then here I apply a condition in my favorite fruits. Orange is favorite in favorite. Then we will use if, because condition has been applied, and write orange. Oh, sorry, orange I have already removed. Suppose that grapes. Okay, grapes is my very favorite fruits in among my favorite fruits. Grapes. Anyway, leave it because statements is going very long. Okay, now I am stop here and run this all this thing. Line number 5, there is a print invalid keyword for print.
720.
Okay, I have to check this one. Line number 5, there is a error. The first fruit. Okay, now this will work. Okay, my favorite fruits are, the first fruit in the list is apple. The last fruits in my list is grapes. I have introduced a insert a fruit's name is, that is name is the grapes. Whenever you want to add grapes, any elements in your list, then use the append function. And whenever you want to remove this, use the remove function. Okay, that's things I want to show you. And list is a mutable. You can change the your this um, elements. You can change the elements. That's why I am able to remove and add the elements. Okay, now we will see list.
Dad,
Yes, have you any question to please ask?
ఏ సౌండ్
Yes, please ask.
ఇప్పటిదాకా నేను చెప్పే తెలుగులో కదా ఆన్లైన్
Okay, next things, this will now I want to clear uh, making a dictionary. How to make a dictionary? Can anyone give in chat box tell me how to make a dictionary with of course you know variable list and dictionaries make with your brackets. Then what type of the brackets you will use whenever you want to make a dictionaries? It is parenthesis or a small bracket or curly bracket or big bracket? Tell me. I'm going to make a your dictionaries. Okay. And dictionaries, the one thing is dictionaries is that it is always in pair. Suppose that title, I'm using the title. Okay. And title is your book. Suppose that Harry Potter book. Okay. And the author of the Harry Potter book is J.K. Rowling is the author of this. And its genre is a fantasy type of the book. Okay, its genre is a fantasy type of the book, and in year 1997, it has been released. The book has been published. Okay, use the year. I will give you assignment according to this type of example, and you have to make it uh, string and make it list variable tuples you have to make, and this is assignment for you. I'm showing how to make it. Suppose that a book title is Harry Potter, author is this, and the genre is a fantasy type of the book. And you know, always whenever you want to make a list, it must be in a pair. Elements are in pair. That's why I'm using here the comma, here comma, here comma. Okay, and year is 1997. Check the facts. It may be 1997. Okay, and now it has been completed. Now, title is Harry Potter, author is this, genre is fantasy type, and year. Now, tell me in chat box what type of the brackets here I have to use. Curly brackets, big brackets, or small brackets, or parentheses. Please tell me. Please tell me or write in the chat box. If I am audible, please tell me and write in chat box. If you are understanding, then you can write. Tell me in which type of the I have to use. Okay, here I have to use curly bracket, but in dictionary you have to use a big bracket. Now close this one and run. Control enter. Dictated line one. Until string I think something is leaving. Okay, Harry Potter title author J.K. Rowling genre. Extra comma has been introduced. I have to check this one. Oh, 1997 is not a string, it is a number. That's why it is showing. Control enter. Undetermined string lethal. Okay, there is another is something different. Check this one. Oh, here in starting it is something. If you are watching carefully, then you can detect this type of the mistake. Okay, control enter. Again is leaving something.
Sir, you have not closed the comma after Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. No, I. Oh, yes, yes. That's why. Okay, now it is clear. See, now write the book one or print book one with the help of the print command. Book one. See, title Harry Potter, author J. Rowling, genre fantasy, year 1997. This is the way uh, for creating a uh, dictionaries in your Python. Okay, with the help of the script. You have seen your list, how to make a list and how to make a dictionaries. Okay, now we will see a very small examples. Uh, Now again we will see a loop example for if else. Okay, and for, and we will see how this will work and how to make a loop for suppose that. And for this in my mind a idea is generated. Suppose that I'm going to a shop or shopping mall and buy something. Suppose that I'm going to buy my budget is 500. Okay, I want to show how to make a loop in Python. Okay, how to use, because you have read about the for loop, if loop, okay, else loop, why we are using, then you will make it more practice, then you will expert in this. uh, my budget is 500, and suppose that I have bought 300 shoes with 300 rupees a shoes, a towel 150 rupees, and comb 50 rupees, and water bottle 100 rupees, and sunglasses 200. Of course this is exceeding the my budget, because 3 150 and 50 is it make comb, towel and shoes make it already 500. Okay, now how to write in this in a script way we will see. Suppose items to buy, I am written here oh, item to buy. Okay, and for this, because I want to compare um, things to its price. Okay, suppose that towel is price of the towel is 150, and shoes the price of the 300, and comb is 50 rupees, and water bottle is 200, and sunglasses is suppose that 500. Okay, then here I will use dictionaries or list. Tell me, anyone, please tell me with here I will use dictionaries or list. I will give you a hint. These are the in pairing, because simultaneously items price are given. Shoes, please tell me. Shoes price is 300. Suppose that, because recently I have bought a shoes Its price is 300. That's why I'm using it 300. And towel. Price is let's 150 rupees. And comb. Yes. Yes. Please unmute you. And the water bottle price is 200. And sunglasses price is 500. Okay. Now, of course, these are in a pair, and we have read when the elements are in pair, then we will use dictionaries. This is okay or not? Check. Okay, this is okay. Now come to the next. Now initialize your variable. Total cost is your. Just wait. Now initializing these things, and total cost. First define the variables, then total cost is equal to 0. Why I have keep here 0, I will tell you after writing this. And my budget is, you will know 500 rupees. Okay. Variable has been initializing. Now using for reserve keyword, simulating buying items from the shopping mall and for creating a for loop. And for this, what will you do? First write the reserve keyword for. Now item. Cost in items to buy. Cost in items to buy. Now copy these things because this is your dictionaries. Okay. And dot items using the items function. Okay, it has been created for loop. Now check if adding the cost of the current item exceed the budget, then what will happen? if total cost plus cost is your budget, using the if reserve keyword, that is total cost from here is 0. That's why I'm using the 0. Okay. Total cost plus cost greater than 1000, used, don't forget using a double comma. Now print in indentation. I don't suppose that I want to buy shoes, towel, comb, water bottle, and sunglasses. I assume that its total cost is more than 1000. Okay, that's why I'm here. Total cost is more than 1000 because it is more than my things, and my budget is of course 500. Then this will more clear from next line. Stop shopping. Okay, because I have to stop here. Now, what will you use? Now use a break result keyword. What will this work? This will check your the budget. Okay. Because when you realize that, oh, lots of things I have bought which has been exceed the 1000, but I have only 500. Then next things I have to choose within 500. That's why I am using here the break function. A break function or break result keyword. Now check if you have enough budget to buy the current items. Uh, for this, again use if total cost plus cost less than or equal to your budget. Budget is your 500. Just copy this one and paste here. And close with your double comma. Now print in parentheses indentation or double indentation. You can write buying close this one with the help of comma. Item, it is not a string, it is using here for item. Okay, item for cost and rupees. Cost is equal to cost. Now using the else result keyword, then what will happen when you will buy within your budget? Use the else keyword. In the single or double you can use. Not enough budget to buy item. Now what will you write? Then what will happen? Print total shopping cost, total cost and rupees. And this will tell you what item you can buy within your budget. Control enter. Total shopping cost is 0 rupees. Why this happening? Because your total cost is greater than your budget, and you cannot buy any things within this. But okay, and now you can choose things in 500. What type of the things? Actually, this things is coming by shoes, towel, and comb. This will come. Now I have to write some another code. First item by, okay, total cost is your initializing variable. Okay, initializing variable is total cost and 0 and budget is 4. Okay, I am checking this one. 4 items I have applied simulating buying items for the shopping mall using for loop. 4 items, cost in items, buy items. Okay. Now check if adding the cost of the current item exceeds the budgets, and for this I have written the 1000 if total cost in this. Then print total shopping cost exceeds 1000 rupees, stopping shopping. Okay. Now using the break. Okay. Then, using if check if you have enough budget to buy the current item. If total cost plus cost is less than or equal to budget, this is okay. Print buying item for cost and rupees, and after then total cost plus my is equal to 0. Okay. Then using the else, print not enough to buy item, and then write to print total shopping cost, total cost in rupees. Okay, it is okay. Total shopping cost is 0 rupees. Okay, and this is the way for constructing any, because you cannot buy anything. That's why this will be more attractive when we will use some other reserve keyword, which I have not taught you. When I will teach you this reserve keyword, then this will make more attractive. But presently, I have make a loop in which I want to buy something, but my budget is exceeding these things, and finally I cannot buy anything. Okay, now next is generate below the cell. This one. Now come to the next things. Suppose that you want to check this is even, a number is even or odd. Okay, what will, how you will check? For this, if and else reserve keyword use, and now make a variable. Suppose that I defining the def is a reserve keyword for defining anything is underscore even a number. Okay,
Sir, we are not running the previous,
what previous?
the just now we are written, no, that shopping thing. We are not running that.
Yes, we have running that. Here the output is the total shopping cost is 0 rupees.
Okay, that is the outcome only.
Yes, outcome only. At that time, this is enough for you, because your things is that your budget is 500 and my item to buy these things, but not enough to buy. Here writing things is not enough to buy. Total cost is 0 rupees. That's why I'm total cost rupees, and if I'm not enough to buy the item, then this is a cost. But after the reserve keyword, when I will taught the some other reserve keyword, then I will show some interesting feature of this. How I
Okay,
will
okay,
grab a choose these things in these items. Okay. Now
okay,
the next loop, with the help of using the def reserve keyword, def is used defining a function. Here I am defining a function even number for identify a number is odd or even. Okay. Uh, for this, I'm applying a condition, and whenever you want to apply a condition, use the if reserve keyword. If number is use the dollar sign. Why I'm using the dollar sign? This will be more clear. Uh, First, I have to write things two, and is equal to is 0, and close with your uh, double column. Now I'm explaining function to check if the number is even. I have derived def is underscore even number. Now explanation of second line, if number %2 is equal to 0. Okay, the line defines a function name is underscore even that takes one argument number. The column indicates the beginning of the function block. Here the why I'm using the column. Okay. If number %2 is equal to 0, this is the definition of the your even number. This line checks if the number is divisible by 2 without any remainder. Without any remainder. This is the definition of the even number. Now, when any number is divisible by 0 without leaving any remainder, then this is your even number. That I'm written here, and which indicates that is even. The percent operator computes the remainder of the division operator. It is why I am using the percent here. Okay. Okay. Now next things, what will you do? It has been written. Now return true. Okay. Now use the else. False. Okay. Now check if number is even. Then what will happen? Suppose that I'm going to write a result. Result is equal to is underscore even. Okay. And 5 I am giving number here. If result is none rather than even number, then what will happen? For this we will use the result keyword none. Print now use the else result keyword. The number is even. And what will result? Okay, close and check for this. I will explain this line. In even result is identified only it does not match any outer indentation label. There is something in line number. Result is underscore even 5. RESULT result.
Sir, that symbol is percentage number after number.
Yes.
Percentage, it should be divided by 2.
Yes, because the definition of the even number is when any number is divisible by 2 without leaving a remainder. Remainder is a 0, then this is your even number. And for division, we are using here the percent. That's why I am using the if number percent 2 is equal to 0. It's
Okay, okay. So not
basically,
divided by, it should be in percentage.
yes, 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 it should be in.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, now I have checked one line by line. Then if result is none, this is okay. Print function print. The function return anything. Okay. Now using else. Yes, ULT result. Result in line number 5. Indentation error is coming. I think there is something is leaving. Why indentation is coming? Result is underscore 5 email. EVEN is spelling right on. What type of indentation is? Code is okay, but why it is showing I have to open another cell then check. Okay. Okay, now it is working. I think there is something because in when I check this one, even number, line number 5, just replace this one. No, this will work. Okay, there is something mistake in my previous code. What is mistake? I cannot understand because everything is same. Okay, it is showing that RESULT result is equal to is underscore even 5. What is difference between these two? I cannot understand things because, okay, this will work. This is what number, the number is even. This is the false statement. Why this is the false statement? I will explain this one. Okay. First things, def is underscore even in number. The line defines a function named is underscore even that takes one argument number. The colon indicates the beginning of the function block. Okay, understand this one. Now I'm explaining the line number 2. If number %2 is equal to 0, the line checks if the number is divisible by 2 without any remainder. This is the definition of the your even number, which indicates that it is even. The percent operator computes the remainder of the division operation. Then return true. It means it is okay. True means okay. Now using the else result keyword or else function, if the condition in line third, of course it is in 4 and this is line third. Okay, this is line third. Now it is clear. Line third means else. Your return this one else. If the condition is false, then number is odd. Of course, here the 5 is a odd. That's why here is the number is even. I'm checking the number is even. This is the false statement. Okay, that's why here written the false. Result is equal to is underscore even 5. This is a very important line, which where is the mistake? Because you will see at line number 7 and line number 6, there is no difference between these and these. Whenever I use this, then this will give you a indentation error. But whenever I use this one, then this will not give any. See this one. Okay, why it is happening? I don't know, because code is the very okay. Everything is okay. Just check it. Okay, now it is false statement. This line calls the even function with the argument 5, which is an odd number. The result of the function call is assigned to the variable result. Okay. If the result is none, okay, the function did not return anything. If the result is none, then what will happen? Suppose that 0 is neither odd nor even. Then what will happen? See, the number is even to it is also, because I cannot give any thing. Now 2 is your even number. This is true. This is true. 3 is the odd number. This is the false. This is the false. The number is false. Okay. This is the explanation for your these things. How to check the number is even or odd, and avoid the 0, because I'm not inserting the condition for the. I have to again write a line, if line. If 0 is come, then it is neither even nor odd. Okay, it is your task. Please write. how to insert a line. Now come to the operator. Today class last things is the operator. What is the operator? In Python, operators are symbols that performs operations on operands such as variable values or expressions. Python supports various types of the operators, including arithmetics, comparison, logical, assignment, bitwise, and membership operators. And now I'm going to explain one by one what is the operator, different type of the operators. Okay. First, operators are a symbol that performs operation on operators such as variable values or expressions. Okay. Now the first is the arithmetic operation. An arithmetic operation performs mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, etc. We will see these things. First, I'm creating two variable for using arithmetic operation. First, we will see on numeric data, then we'll see on string. Okay, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6. Now print addition. It is don't this is the way. And now a plus b, a plus b. Okay, now write again different type of the operator you can use. Just copy and paste and control C, control V, control V, control V, control V. Addition has been done. Now right here the subtraction is okay. A minus B is a subtraction, and then division used for only DIB, and use this symbol a plus minus and backslash. These are the symbol used for the, and where and the writing things in between the indentation is a string. Don't confuse with these things. This is a string. It's whenever you write here the instead of subtraction and addition, then this will show the addition. This will not. This is only simply for naming the this division. Now just remove these things and using multiplication. Right here the only short multi multiplication used for star, and division, multiplication, subtraction has been done. Now use are you aware about the float division? Float division. Anyway, just read about the float division. I'm going to here just it is enough. Suppose that you want to exponential expression, then read about the what is the exponential exploration. Exponential expression. Okay, and this will be the operator for this double star. Now print. Then what will happen? See, addition 5 is 11. Subtraction 5 minus 6 is -1. Division when we divided by the, a to b, then this will be 0.3. Multiplication is 30, and exponential of this 1265, and this one. Now I'm going to same operator on your just copy on your string data. Okay, now I am defining a means Ram, okay, and B means Alice. Then run. Then what will happen? Just see. Name Ram is not defined. Only here see Ram Alice. Just see, are you able to see this? And rest of things is error. Okay. It means in whenever you write a string, how to make a string, I have already taught you. Whenever you write anything in indentation, this will convert in your string. Okay. Ram, Alice, only addition is applicable. That's why addition Ram, and here Alice. But rest of the operators will not, mathematical operator will not work on your string. Now, again writing here 5 and 6. 5 and 6 in this indentation. Then this will be string because it is written in indentation. However, this looks like a number. 5 and 6 is a number. You can say that this is an integer, but this integer in your indentation, then this is converted in your string. Then what will be result? Can anyone tell me? Of course, only mathematical operator will work because it is a string. Only addition will work. Then this will show you 56. It means 5 plus 6 addition is only 56, but 5 plus 6 is 11 here. Okay, that means in operator, mathematical operator, for a string only addition is applicable and the rest of things is not applicable, but float is integer, all things are applicable, and symbols of this I have written here. Now come to the next operator. Are you ever the next operator is a comparison operator. Okay. Comparison operators used to compare values and return Boolean results, true or false. If the results are in come into, suppose that you are saying I am taller than you, or my height is a 5 foot, your height is a 6 foot, or I am telling that I am taller than you, then I'm of course I am false. But you are telling that I am taller than you, then of course you are true. That is a true and false. This is the Boolean algebra. Okay. Now comparison operators. We will see few things, and the rest of things we will cover in next class. Okay. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. Then print x is equal to y. I'm saying here. Okay. And x is equal to y. Okay. Now print false, because you know well x is less than 10. I suppose that here I make x is 10, then what will happen? According to my statement, this will be true. See, this is the true, and this is your the comparison operator is equal to greater than we will use, and rest of things we will see in next class. Okay, we will see the operator. Have you any questions related to this? Dear participants, have you any questions? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Please ask any questions and you have any doubt starting to start the class. Please ask, because this is a question times has been started.
Sir, when we are supposed to use that double is equal to and single is equal to,
Yes, 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 yes.
I think I missed it, might be.
Yes, yes. Because whenever you assign a value, then you will use double is equal to. Here I'm here one things whenever just wait. It means that exactly is equal to. Suppose that you are writing equation y is equal to uh, mx y is equal to m plus c. Okay, and this will give you. Suppose that this put the value m and c, then this will give you the 5. Okay, then this is a mathematical simple mathematical whenever you will write in a copy. Okay, but this is not a way. Okay, it means that y is equal to mx plus c is a variable, or y is a act as a variable which contains a set of m element which contains a set of c element, and whenever you write the print y, then this will give you 5. Okay, or simply write y. Whenever you write here, I have written here just see double, it means that the exactly zero value. It is not a two. If number percent 2 is equal to 0, it means that it is not a variable, it is not a anything. It is a condition. Whenever any number is divided by 2 and remainder is 0 is equal to 0, it means that your value is this even number. Okay, this is the main difference.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Any question? Dear participant, please ask any question. If any confusion.
Yes, sir. I want some symbolization. For example, united comma and print. What is that uses of? I don't know, sir. This is a first class I am attending.
Oh, that's why it is you are facing problem. Please go through my previous video. But comma and these things you can understand here.
Okay.
This can just say I'm explaining everything. Just see this one. I think this one. Okay, in this example,
Yeah.
everything is given. Comma. This one. Double inverted comma has been. Everything is
Yeah.
given. Okay, I'm explaining one by one.
Yeah.
First,
Please.
first line def is underscore even number. I'm defining a function. Okay, uh, function to check if a number is even. Okay, whenever you use a def is a reserved keyword for defining a your function. Then it is a function to check if a number is even. I have here defined. That's why I'm here written is underscore even. This is a comment line that provide a brief description of the purpose of the following function. Okay, this is the comment line. And
Okay.
the line defines a function named is underscore even that takes one argument, that is the number, and the column indicates the beginning of the function block. Okay, here a number containing, you can change here the number, then you can check the nature of your number, it is even or odd. And when it is a starting of your function, then you have to use column. Okay, column, double column, it means your uh, uh, beginning of the function block. Okay, now
Okay.
next line, just see if number %2 is equal to 0 and column. This line checks if the number is divisible by 2 without any remainder. Okay, 0 means without any remainder, which indicates that it is even. The percent operator computes the remainder of the division operation. Okay, percent, here the percent operator is used for dividing the check percent operator computes the remainder for the division operator. Okay, it is used for your division operator. Okay, whenever you divide any number from 2 and it is 0 or any other number, then this will check by your percent sign. Okay, now it is clear.
Sir, yes, sir. Okay, sir. Right.
It is now next things return and true. Okay, return true. Here return is a reserved keyword and true is also a reserved keyword. Then what is the meaning of this? If the condition in the previous line is true, suppose that here this condition is fulfilled for my number this here. Suppose that here my number is a 5. Here suppose that here my number is 2 fulfill, then we can say that it is a true. But here is the 5, it means that it is not a even number, then we can say that false. Okay, it is clear? It is clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now else. Now we are using the else. Okay. Else, if the condition is false, that is the number is odd. Just like here, 5 is the number is odd. Then odd, this line indicates the start of the block of the code to execute. Okay. It means you have to check this. Suppose that this is a 5 and this is not a even number. Then what will happen? If the condition is false, that is the number is odd, then this line indicates the start of the block of the code is to re-execute. It means check it is a false statement. Okay. And after then return false. Return false means the line returns false from the function if the number is odd. Now come to the result is equal to is underscore even. This is the way where I have to check. Okay. What is the meaning of this line? This line calls the is underscore even function, which we have defined in a starting is underscore even from with the help of the def reserve keyword, and here the number, and it is function with the argument 5, which is an odd number. The result of the function calls is assigned the variable result to the variable. This assign the variable of the result. Okay, when what is the result? This will be defined by these things. Okay, which if condition which you have applied. If the result is none, the line called the is underscore even function with the argument 5, which is the line checks if the value of result is none. Is keyword here is keyword used to test for object identify, ensuring that the values is exactly none. Here I am using the is keyword. Okay. If the result is none, then the print the function did not return anything. Okay. Now next things is that print the function did not return anything. If the condition in line is true, that is the function did not return anything, this line prints a message indicating that the function did not return anything. Okay. And then again else is coming. It means if the condition is false, that is the function returns something, the lines indicating the start of the block of the code execute. And finally this thing, the code defines a function to check if the number is even, call the function with the number 5, and the prints a message based on the whether the function returns anything or not. Since the number is 5 is odd, the function do not return anything, so result is none, and the appropriate message is printed. This is your false. Okay, the number is 4. That's why. Okay, have you understood? Are you getting?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Please ask some other questions you have. If any have any question, please ask.
Sir, one more thing. Sir, how to practice this coding of languages, sir? If you want this, what is this? Any software, crack version software is there, or how to work that,
No,
sir?
this is absolutely free.
Yeah. Okay. Right, sir.
Please
Please
go
send
through
me the link, sir.
okay, please go through my previous 2 videos. This is open access software. This is not a software. This is a programming language. This is a Python. Okay.
Okay.
And this
Okay,
is
sir.
absolutely free. And we were working on the Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook is absolutely free. And how to install and how to use this, please
Okay.
go through my previous two video, which recorded video are I have shared through the YouTube link.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you seen this link?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. But if you have any other languages or any other software is there, I want that information, sir. That's all.
No, no, this is not a software. This is basically a coding practice, and Python is a programming language and most
Okay.
demanding programming language in the world. And
Okay.
most important feature of this is absolutely free. Only you have to learn on this one.
Okay, sir. Right. Right.
Okay.
Sir, another one thing is this information will be coding to the GIS database, sir.
Yes, yes, you can do everything in Python. First, learn the Python, then use the GIS. This is the application of the Python. You can use the all GIS type of work in your Python.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, okay, thank you. Any other question? Okay, thank you so much for attending today class. Today we have learned comments and
Okay.
see the some reserve keywords function, how to use the reserve keyword, especially if, else, and elif, and is. And we will see tomorrow lambda function. What is lambda? Non-correlated, not, or ask, pass, raise. We will see, and we have seen some this operator, arithmetic operator, and comparison operator. We have seen, and we have seen some loop. How to use this loop. And please, it is assignment for you. Please make a loop for rainy season. Whether you want to go in market and raining is taken place, then what will you do? You will go to outside or live in the your home. uh, Please write in the coding format, script format. If you are learning Python, then definitely you will write, because you have read about the if, elif, and else function, about these reserved keyword. Then thank you so much for attending today class. Siraj sir.
Yeah, so on behalf of Higher Learning Education Institute and on behalf of all participants, we are very much thankful to our speaker, sir, Simab sir, for his elaborative and informative session. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. On behalf of speaker, sir, and on behalf of Higher Learning Education Institute, we are very much thankful to all participants for their active participation and involvement. So once again, we will meet virtually tomorrow at 4 p.m. So till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you, speaker, sir. Thank you, participants.
Thank you, sir. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, participants.